Eliminate bad breath. It is easy to overlook and you may not even notice yourself that you are having bad breath. Nonetheless, fret not. It is not difficult to keep your breath fresh and clean. 1. Floss and brush your teeth. Trapped food and plaque, which is a sticky residue on your teeth, are the main causes of bad breath. Brush your teeth twice daily and floss at least one time a day. Ensure you put in effort to brush and floss thoroughly into hard-to-reach areas. However, do not brush too hard as it will make your teeth thin and wear off. Use a gentle brush for your teeth instead. 2. Clean your tongue. You might have noticed a layer that might have formed on your tongue. This can be a mass of bacteria. Brush your tongue, or you can use a tongue scraper to clean. This will eliminate any bacteria left over after consuming food and drinks. 3. Rinse your mouth. Invest in a mouthwash as it will help get rid of bacteria. There are certain mouthwash that are focused on clearing your bad breath. Another good habit would be to rinse your mouth after having your meal. 4. Avoid sugar. Sugar will cause the bacteria in your mouth to grow faster. This will damage your teeth and also cause bad breath. Therefore, do avoid them. Thank you for watching. Your support by simply clicking like and subscribe really helps. 5. Avoid smoking. Smoking causes damage to your gums, stained teeth, and also causes bad breath. Click the link above and learn some effective tips on how to quit smoking. 6. Avoid garlic and onion. Brushing and cleaning your mouth after consuming garlic and onion would not help. This is because they enter your bloodstream and make way into your lungs when you breathe them out. Avoid them, or at least before having an event and meeting people. 7. Keep yourself hydrated. When your mouth is dry and you are dehydrated, you will have mouth odor. Drink regularly throughout the day. 8. Keep your gums healthy. Someone with gum disease will have bad breath. If you are suffering from this, visit your dentist to get yourself treated. 9. Try these home remedies. Chewing cloves, fennel seeds, or lemon will help reduce odor as it will decrease the bacteria in the mouth. 10. Consult your doctor. If you have tried the tips above and they do not work, make an appointment with your doctor. You may be having some related medical condition and do get yourself treated. Follow these quick tips for results. Thank you for watching.